one champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.
We're the hottest in the world right now. Just touched down in London town. Big Ben, take Lil Bang. What else?
We're on the streets tonight, chasing our dreams. The city is ours. Like wolves that come out at night. We run through the dark and you hear us howling. Shadows dancing, hands up to the sky. Throw our sorrows in the ring of fire. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy on it. Light up, so everybody knows that we're back in town. Break the rules, we love it, there's no stopping us. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy now. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy on it. Light up, so everybody knows that we're back in town. Break the rules, we love it, there's no stopping us. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy now. We're just gonna get high and go crazy now.
We get to the airport and we're looking for food, but Gus finds this, so we end up here. But Gus, say hi.
Hi, I lost. We're the hottest in the world right now. Just touched down in London town. Can't wait to be on top of it. I'm sorry, you're so tired. Welcome to St. James Park. Because we're about to be in Buckingham Palace.
I just flipped the switch.
Ooh, well dope. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Ooh, double the hand.
Get it.
This shit ain't no 100 bands. Palace look like Buckingham. Bills so big, I call them Williams for real.
I can't believe we're here. So this is only open during the summer, so we can't go in, sadly.
Well, this is actually my palace.
Oh, I'm sorry. Damn, can I be welcomed inside, madam?
No, not until summer.
Oh shit, damn. So who's in the occupation during the winter?
Another booth.
Oh. Got it. Anyways, palace look like Buckingham. So where are we going next? Ooh, where are we going next?
That way.
Supposedly the last OVO store, but what?
But Drake decided
Oh, let's open one in Vancouver.
the one in Vancouver.
No hombre.
He's a genius.
Oh, he is actually.
Because now we gotta go back.
Yeah, true. Actually, where's the OVO store? I don't know. We gotta walk that way. That's that one. Look at Bulbology right here. Of course, you gotta get boba. So this tastes like melon.
Yeah?
Tastes exactly like melon.
I told you.
Damn, there it is. OVO London, what was supposed to be our last. Wow. High up to the one. Wow. Looks so cute. What are we about to eat though? Huh? Ramen. What did we just buy? Pick them up, pick them up, pick them up. Ooh, straight out of London. What did you just say right now? Damn, why? And then OVO. Because it's OVO. OVO. No, OVO like it's nice. Like OVO. Damn, look at mine. Damn. Wow, actually looks like Chinatown. I mean like Chinatown. They got Chinatown, let's see how this. Looks dope.
Yeah, really nice Chinatown.
I literally gotta like look straight up to get the whole thing. Damn. Thank you. Oh, this is dope. Both you. Yeah, both are nice. Damn, baby, we made it to the London Eye. It's crazy how high we're gonna probably go. Oh, snap. I'm kind of nervous. It's gonna be scary, Chelly.
Yeah, we're gonna be swinging in.
Wow. I'm nervous. Whoa. We're going. That's not too bad. Wow. This is amazing. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
This is amazing. Damn.
Oh my god, this is a little fast.
Oh shit. This is amazing though.
I don't want to look.
I want to look. I'm looking. Wait, that's it?
No, it just goes down and up.
This is amazing. Oh my god, I feel like I'm living life. Woo!
You sound scared.
I'm terrified at the moment. Ay, Dios mío, santo. I'm scared. Ay, wait. Okay, it doesn't seem too bad. I mean, I'm not that scared. I'm just kind of squinting. Oh my goodness. I am not scared. Oh shit. I'm getting dizzy. Don't look to your left. Don't look down. Don't look to your left. Look how high we are.
Don't you be dead.
I don't remember how to get there. You remember how to get there? Oh, look, babe, Ben. I'm just kidding. That's the London Eye. Okay, let me look at my mapas. You do? Yeah. All right, you said it. Alrighty. Dude, this looks so nice. Like, you're just casually walking. And to your right is one of the wonders of the... Look at that gorgeous circle.
Oh, thanks.
Oh. Reminds me of the Xbox Ring of Death.
It's Ring of Life.
No, Ring of Death, because it turns red and then you can never use your Xbox again.
Don't say.
Yes.
So,
What are you doing?
Stumble almost killed me today. Legit. Like, I was holding on to just like this. I'm just looking.
I looked to my right.
Gustavo was on his phone,
I wasn't
of course.
on my phone.
And then this Tesla or Maserati, I don't know, car goes, ah! I'm like, I jumped back up and my heart dropped. The end. Here you go. Gus.
What? Who is that?
Okay.
Where? Let's dance? Ooh, let's dance. Go. Here. Give me la mano. I believe in dreaming, shooting from the stars. Baby, to be number one, you got to raise the bar. Slipping and slapping. Right, mood? What mood?
If only for tonight, you could be mine, then I would be yours. So let's get out of sight, forget about time, get lost in each other. Shadows dancing, hands up to the sky. Throw our sorrows in the ring of fire. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy on it. Light up, so everybody knows that we're back in town. Break the rules, we love it, there's no stopping us. Wild love, we're just gonna get high and go crazy now.
Good morning.
Good morning, America.
Good morning, London.
Oh, yeah. This is the United Kingdom.
Damn, double decker. How I like my sandwiches. Oh! I got you.
No, I got you. Does it have a gap?
Possibly. It's focused on you. But I actually happened. Damn, look at that. That looks bomb. Say the line. The line.
London, London, London Bridge.
Oh! Oh shit. Oh, that's a lot of people. That's just to take a picture? Yeah. Damn. We're about to go to the store. Wow. That's dope. McDonald's? Wow. Oh look, there it is. That's called the Marble Arc. Walk, 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 walk. Oh, let's go where?
Stop!
Wow.
Oh, that was the Ferris wheel we saw yesterday on the London Eye.
Oh, okay.
Why are you laughing?
Cause you a clown. Hey, I'm just kidding. I'm just going. Oh, cause
That was good. That was good.
That was good. That was good. That was good. Winter Wonderland. Chels. First ride at Winter Wonderland. Thank you.
Look, we're gonna get on the bungee jump over there.
Oh, hell no. Woo. You ready?
There's a lot of cool rides.
I know.
Don't drop the camera.
Damn, look at that view though.
It has begun. The race is on for the next champion of the world.
Has like 4 loops. Huh. Whoa. That was an awesome ride. For a park fair? Wow. This is nice. Oh, wow. Yeah? Are these bathrooms? Oh, sorry. How's your bathroom break? In the little egg. Cheers. You just start drinking. Mom? There's an apple. Wow. But look at that. They have trees in there. What? I want to sit on a tree. Wow. You want a picture? What?
Not sure if they have those ones in America.
I think they do. That's just a watch holder.
Bye, London.
Bye.
Take me all the way.